Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are exploring this problem. In 2010, Mr. Lee had his salary increased by 25% from the previous year, 2009. Due to the company's crisis in 2011, which is the following year, he had his salary reduced by 30% as compared with 2010 salary. Okay, this is for 2011. Now his salary in 2010 was $4,000. Part A, calculate his salary after it has been reduced due to the company's crisis. Okay, part A. So for part A, we would have the starting point as $4,000, and this $4,000 we are going to reduce by 30%, meaning 100% would then represent this $4,000, and then in 2011, the following year, it would be decreased by 30%, which will mean that I would want to find 70% is how much? So it will be 4,000 divided by 100 to get me 1%. After that, I find my 70%. So this will give me $2,000 and $800. Alright. Now, that will be the answer for part A. For part B, find his salary in 2009 before he had his salary increased. So for this question, now the $4,000 in this question here, the percentage has changed because as compared with 2009, this $4,000 is actually an increment of 25%, meaning 125% represents $4,000, and the salary in 2009 is what we need to find next, and this from 2009 is 100%, the original. So in this question then, my $4,000 will have to divide by 125 times 100 to give me a value of $3,200. Next, for part C, find then the percentage decrease from his salary at 2009 and his salary at 2011. So for part C, the percentage decrease would then be equals to, I must first find the decrease, yeah? So it will be 3,200 minus 2,800 over the original comparison times 100%. And this will give me a value of 12.5%. With that, we have come to the end of this part of the question. Let's move on to the next.